Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Live infinitely complete 6-piece yoga set 6mm dual layer non-slip TPE Yoga Mat, 2 EVA Foam Blocks, 9 cotton strap, mat-sized exercise towel and carrying case, perfect kit for any yogi. Teal. The highest quality complete set available anywhere. From beginners to experts, this yoga kit will exceed your expectations and take your skills to the next level. TPE Yoga Mat. We started with a 6x2 dual-layered 6mm TPE non-slip yoga mat that provides a perfect balance of support and comfort. No knee or elbow pains here. TPE is 100% made from non-toxic and UV-resistant materials. EVA Foam Blocks includes 2 3x6x9 high-density EVA Foam Blocks. Perfect to nail those advanced poses and provides reliable support when you need it most. Microfiber Yoga Towel Sized matched to the mat at 6x2. You don't have to worry about slipping on your sweat even during hot yoga. Hold your poses longer knowing sliding on your mat is out of the question. 6 cotton strap and full carrying case. Use the strap to increase your flexibility while reducing the risk of injury. When you're all done, cleanup could not be easier. The included carrying case holds all your gear neatly and has a shoulder strap for easy transport. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.